Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install apps on Mac. There's two ways which you can use to download and install apps on your Mac. The first and the most safe one is to download them from App Store. So go to the App Store on your Mac, then just select an app that you want to download. You can find it in the Discover or anywhere here, or you can search for an app in the search bar. For example, Adobe Lightroom. Then choose the app that you're satisfied with. Click on Get, then Install. Some apps are paid, so you'll need to pay for them, but this one is free, so just click on Get. Then you may need to enter your password. And now the app starts to download. When it's downloaded, it will be available to open through either the Spotlight. To open Spotlight, click on Command Space. Then you can search for the app when it's done, when it's installed. Or you can, if you have the MacBook, you can use 4 fingers and pinch them in to open the launchpad, or you can just click on the launchpad on the dock and it will be available here. I'm gonna stop this download because I don't need this app for now, and now I'm gonna show you the second way. The second way is to download apps from the web. In order to make that available, first click on the Apple logo in top left corner, then System Settings, and then go to Privacy and Security, and scroll down until you find Allow Applications From, and set it to App Store and Known Developers. Then you can search on the web for any app that you can download, but remember, it has to be from the trusted source, so never download from untrusted websites, or always download from official websites of the app, and also don't install apps that are not well known because they may cause damage to your PC, to your Mac. So now, so just like when you want to download something, just open the browser and search for it, for example, Zoom download. And remember to visit the official website, so in this case it's zoom.us, and you'll be able to download it. And it depends on which Mac you have. You may want to download for Apple Silicon or for Intel. To know which one you should download, click on the Apple logo in top left corner, then About This Mac. Now, in the processor, you can see this info. If it says Intel, that means that you should download the Intel version. And if it says M1, M2, M3, M4 or later, then you should install Apple Silicon. Not all apps ask you that, but in this case it has asked me, so I need to download this one. I have it already downloaded, and now I'm gonna show you how to install them. Go to the Downloads folder or any folder that you've downloaded it to, and here are 3 different files because apps may come in 3 different files. The first and the most common one is .dmg. Double click on it, then it will open another window. And now, to install an app, just drag it to the Applications folder and release. Then it will copy, and when it's copied, you can go to your Launchpad, and you can see that I have the app here, and I can access it. And this is the most common way. After doing that, the Firefox, in my case Firefox, your app disk will be installed. To eject it, if you don't need it anymore because the app has been installed, drag it to the eject button here, and now you can see it disappears. The second file is PKG. Some apps come in PKG files. Double click on it, then click on continue, then select whether you want to install it for all users of this computer or install for you only. I'm gonna install it for all users, then click on continue. You can change the install location, but I suggest you just installing it in the standard location, but if you have a separate drive, you can install that here. Then you may want to enter your password or Touch ID and click on install software. And now when it says the installation was successful, you can close it, and it may ask you to move the installer to trash. You can move it because it's just the installer file, not the app file. And you can see that I have successfully installed Zoom. Let me close that. And the last thing that may happen, rarely but it happens sometimes, is that you install an app that's just the kind of application. So you can just open it from here. As you can see, it opens right away. But if you want to, you can move it to the applications folder. So to move it, just take that and drag it over applications folder. Let me show you. Then when it opens the applications folder, release it, and now it's copied. And since it's copied, from now on, you can access it in the Launchpad. And these are all of the ways to install apps on your Mac. Remember to always install them from the known sources. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.